Hey friends, hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial by World for PhD. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a colorful background with shapes in Photoshop. Here I have used this image from unsplash.com. Select the elliptical marquee tool. Draw a circular selection around the subject. Hold the Shift key while drawing the circle. Reposition the circle. Go to Select and select Inverse. An inverse selection will be done around the subject. Go to the Adjustment layer icon. Click on Gradient. Select the gradient. You will see the gradient editor opened in front of you. Select the gradient which you want to apply. Adjust the scale of the gradient. Adjust the angle of the gradient. And when you are done, press OK. You can also reduce the opacity of this whole layer. You will see that a colorful background is applied to our image along with a circle in center. With another example, I will show you how to create a polygon shape. Select the polygon tool. Set it to path. Set the number of sides to 6. From the center of the subject, draw a polygon around the subject. Go to Paths panel and click on Work Path and click on Make Selection and press OK. Go back to the Layers panel. Our selection is made. Now go to Select and select Inverse. The selection is inversed. And we will again repeat the same procedure. Click on the Adjustment layer icon, click on Gradient and select the gradient which you want to apply. Here I will choose the rainbow gradient and scale it to around 300%. So I will get a beautiful blue, green to yellow gradient. You can adjust the angle also, but let's keep it at 90 and press OK. So in this simple manner, I have shown you how to apply a simple trick to get more focus on your subject and a beautiful colorful background. So hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to create beautiful colorful background. Hope you will give this video another try. If you love our work at World for PhD, do support us on PayPal. If you want to contribute for our next project, become a patron on patreon.com. Do leave a comment and drop a like, and please share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my future content. Take care.